welcome to my channel. My name is Georgie and today I am going to finally share with you how I make trail mix bars. So if you are new to my channel or if you're returning and have not yet subscribed, go ahead and scroll on down, find the red subscribe button, hit it and the little bell icon right next to it so you can be notified every single time I upload. Alright guys, let's get into today's video. Alright guys, before we begin, I am going to run through the list of things that you will need to make these trail mix bars. You will need a large bowl, a spoon, parchment paper or foil, a Pyrex dish or baking sheet, 1 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 of a cup of honey, 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 cup of nuts, 1/2 cup of chocolate chips, and 1/2 cup of dried fruit. Begin by pouring the 1 cup of peanut butter into the bowl, followed by 1/3 of a cup of honey. Then you will melt them together in the microwave, stirring every 15 seconds. Next you will pour in the 1 cup of oats, 1 cup of nuts, and 1/2 cup of dried fruit. Mix them well until they are coated. Here you have two options. Let everything cool down to room temperature and then add the chocolate chips, or add the chocolate chips in while it's still warm so they can melt, and that is exactly what I'm going to do. Once they are mixed in, grab your Pyrex dish or baking sheet with your parchment paper or foil and pour the trail mix in and spread it evenly. And finally, let your trail mix chill in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. Hey everyone, it has been 3 hours since I put the trail mix in the fridge. I started doing homework and completely forgot that I was in the middle of filming a video, so I'm gonna go get the trail mix, cut it up, and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, here are the trail mix bars. All I have to do is put them in little baggies and they are good to go for the week. Alright guys, here are the trail mix bars all ready to go. I put them in their own little individual baggies and I keep them in the fridge for whenever we're running late or we are packing our lunch. We can easily just grab one and go. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you'd like to see more, let me know in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to follow me in between videos, I will leave my Snapchat and Instagram link down below. Alright guys, I will see y'all in the next one.